Oh, Guardians has now gone down to 70. Emil's Fromage Montage. Oh, that's good. So that's about what, 10 quid? Trio of escargot. Oh, it doesn't make it any better putting it in some croissants. Good afternoon, people. We are here for the first day of Food and Wine Festival. It's the 28th of August today. Just got in the park, it's 2:20. None of us have had any food today. Plan on snacking around the world, see what we can try, see what we can show you. I imagine it's going to be rammed today. Albeit we did park in Doris, so not too far out. I need to find one of them food passport things for the event. We will no doubt end up doing a couple of rides while we're here, but for reference, Guardians is already at 95 minutes. So might leave that to the end. We do plan on staying to watch the fireworks as well, so try and show you some of that. But let's go and see what food they've got as soon as I can find a bloody map. I've never been here on the first day of Food and Wine Festival before, so I do expect it to be considerably busy. But we shall see, we shall see. Bubbles! So having looked at the wait times, it only appears... Oh, Guardians has now gone down to 70. Yeah, and Test Track's 50, so it doesn't actually look that busy. Certainly not there. I've seen worse. That's pretty reasonable. Anyway, we're going to go and have a look at the food first. So let's... yeah, I'm pretty hungry now. So it started today and runs until the 22nd of November. So what's that, about 90-ish days? Emil's Fromage Montage.
Oh, they're the ones that you get to get the free item thing, isn't it? Like an ice cream.
Oh, right, yeah. So you collect all 5. Right, there's a map. Oh, a little booklet. Right, acquired. I don't know what I called it. A festival passport. So they're the 1, 2, 3. They're the 5 menu items. 1 festival treat offered per fully stamped festival passport. So you get them 5, and then you get to redeem the free one at the end, whatever that is. Let's go to the right then, towards Canada. Ooh, slow roasted pork slider. Yeah, I think we'll go one of them in a hazy IPA, I think.
12-ounce IPA?
Yes, please.
All right. So I have 2 pork sliders, a cheesecake, and a 12-ounce IPA.
Yes.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
And
$27. Right, see if I can manage this. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Hang on. Oh, that's good. I didn't think I was going to like it with the pineapple on it, but you don't like it?
No, I do.
Well, I'll try a bit.
I think I expected it to taste a bit sweeter.
Oh, it's nice. Alright. So your first stamp there, man, was for that pineapple, yeah? That pineapple cheesecake you're eating?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So there's the map of it. 31 places. I don't think I'm going to get round all of them. I don't think I've got the money to get round all of them. Strawberry trifle. How much was that? $5.75. Yeah, we had this last year, so we'll skip it. Plus, I don't like mushrooms. I always find it quite funny walking through here because this to me doesn't look anything like the UK. Telephone box and a post box though, I suppose. Yeah. Need some more air conditioning. Busy in here.
$13 for a chocolate orange.
How much?
$13.
So that's about what, 10 quid?
Yeah.
$3.45 for a Mars bar.
$5 for this.
For a Ripple?
For a Ripple.
Wowzers. I think we're getting some beer battered fish and chips. Well, Joshua is anyway. $13.49. Can I have one of your chips, Josh?
Yeah.
Oh, they're alright them actually. I was expecting that to be horrendous, but it's alright. Oh, you ruined it now with vinegar.
No, we haven't ruined it. Not put a lot on.
Nope.
That was me underground.
Germany then.
Bratwurst with pretzel.
Yeah. Ah, right, okay. So if you buy that, you're going to get another stamp. So Spain, you get the cheesecake, don't you? You don't have it in Italy. Doesn't Italy get a bad rap every year? I think it does. Flavours of America, funnel cake and whatnot. Japan, probably the teriyaki chicken bun, I think. That Belgian waffle looks alright. So does that braised beef though. You'd need to get the Brazilian cheese bread. France, we can skip France. Escargot.
Brazil.
They look alright from Morocco. Spiced lamb. Yeah, France. Nope, it's not for me. Although the short ribs look alright and the creme brulee, I could do that. Trio of escargot in croissants. Oh, it doesn't make it any better putting it in some croissants. That's not on my list, I'm afraid. So they do, as well for the kids, they do a Remy's hide and squeak scavenger hunt. It's like a, what's the word? Themed activities in some of the pavilions. What I will say though is that whilst it's not that expensive, but the portion sizes are relative, really. So you could probably try more than you'd expect. I'll try that braised beef.
Right.
So what's that, man? Braised beef.
That is beer braised beef with smoked gouda and mashed potatoes. And that is a Belgian waffle with berry cocktail and mustard.
The beef was good. Nice, a little bit chewy, but still nice. Like I say, reasonable size as well, so ready for something else really. But no, nothing on there takes me fancy. $50 that. And a vest for $32. Or you're limited to 2 items per guest as well to prevent sellouts, I suppose. So it's a rubber hat.
Your passport stamped.
Hello. The beef wagyu and the what was it? Mant? Oh, the peach. Yeah, boba. No, thank you. Boba. Oh God. In between eating, I feel like I'm spending my day finding air conditioning. Yeah, Josh. A sword umbrella.
Oh, check that out. That's an umbrella.
The alcohol.
Yeah.
What are you trying to say? I was only looking. That looks very inviting. Just entering into the American pavilion. This is where they host the Eat to the Beat, the dinner reservations. Squirrel!
Excuse me.
So it starts tomorrow, runs through till the 17th of November. Different show times at R5, 6:45, 8 p.m. Joey Fatone and friends tomorrow. They've got a few people. Hang on, let's have a look. Can't see I know any of them. Oh, the Baha Men, maybe. The Wanted. There's a bit of a quick reference table for you. So the festival is the 28th to the 22nd, and the concert dates are the 29th to the 17th, August to November. Obviously you don't pay extra for it, not to watch it anyway, but it is first come first serve for seated. I'm assuming the Wanted is going to be the English band. Is that going to be the English band or Wanted 2.0? Katie Tunstall as well. Boys to Men.
Oh, wow.
Boys to Men are the November the 2nd to the 3rd. Yeah, so don't forget Regal Eagle Smokehouse in America, you can top up your water. I'm pretty sure it's always Italy that gets a bad rap for food. It's got a bit of a queue there though. Beccetta di pizza. A Basque cheesecake. I don't think we'll be collecting all them stamps for them foods. They don't really take me fancy. I don't think Amanda and Josh will have any of them. No. I can't see us getting all them just for the sake of getting an extra free one. Right, where's she gone now? I'm going to guess she's in this shop. Always a good spot for a beer there. Get a proper sized one as well, as opposed to the smaller one at one of the booths. So this is the Germany pavilion. Yeah, so you can get these beers. You can get, I think it's a 16-ounce one from the actual bar. And next to Germany is the Alps. Doesn't take me fancy either. We get some tikka masala. It's a reasonable sized portion, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go on, you can have some of that bread if you want.
Only want to buy it.
Oh, it's good. Is that all you wanted, that little bite?
Yeah.
China. Oh, the noodles look good. And the duck bao bun. Oh, this heat is relentless. The chicken tikka was nice as always. Had that last year as well. It's not too spicy and it's a reasonable sized portion compared to the others that you'll pick up. Amanda will be going getting more school bread, I think. I think I'll go in with her this time. Oh, it's nice in here. School bread. Thought you would.
No cubes there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I think we'll go and get some more AC on the Grand Fiesta tour. Yeah, why not? Oh, that's nice. Like a little hidden gem, this place. I think we must have walked past it about 5 years on the bounce.
This is... I don't know. We must find this. The contract is right.
We don't need to go into the wings lab. Have a quick look at Mexico. Yeah, them unnecessarily spicy yet extremely tasty Carolina Reaper pepper curry wings. I like things hot, but they are ridiculous. So unless you want your mouth blowing off, I wouldn't bother. Let me know if you do have them and you can manage them. I ordered them last year and I ended up taking one bite out of them. No, way too hot. Ridiculous. Pretty pointless, to be honest, but I'd be amazed if anyone's managed to eat them. Well, we've made our way round now anyway, so I think we're going to go and try and get on Guardians as the wait times come down a bit. And then there's some sort of Remy milkshake from in the pavilion that she wants to go and get. So, right, let's go and do Guardians. Where does this one sit in your best rides at Disney, or Florida for that matter? About my number 3, I reckon. Beaten by Velocicoaster and Stardust Racers.
I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot-tarians.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Oh, that is a big man.
Oh, the back row.
Yeah. Well, okay. I'm walking onto your vehicle. We'll be right behind you. Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it. Noise. No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
All the way. Oh, Christ. Was that the DJ? The Big Bang!
Jax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us. I see. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Yes. Now, where's that cake toast?
It's an ace ride, that. Looks like we might have some rain coming. Might have to skip the fireworks. The wind is definitely picking up a little bit. But it's only 6:15. I don't know whether to hold out for the fireworks or not. We might get lucky. I assume it's that Remy's milkshake that you're after. Man?
What?
Is it the Remy's milkshake? How much was that?
24.
Is it strawberry?
Strawberry cheesecake.
We came in here for that milkshake and I can hear the thunder. So I think our plan for the fireworks might be off. Let's just have, oh my god. That's pretty wet. Yes. Right. Give it half an hour. According to the weather app, it might be in for the rest of the night, so I don't know. Might have to call it quits and give up on the fireworks, but I'll give it half an hour and then go back and have another look. Oh dear. Oh yeah. Right, we're going to make a quick dash for it. Get to the car before the other rain starts again. I don't think the storm's gone very far. Have to give the fireworks a miss. Right, so as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.